What's going on, y'all? We back out at this rock. If you look at the rock, everywhere that I've spray painted in green, that's a hole that's at least 1 inch in width and at least 18 inches in depth. So each one of those that is in green is a spot where I went in at least 18 inches. Everywhere else, it's at least a 10-inch hole, a 1 inch with 10 inch, unless it's one like this, which I won't be pouring any in this. But all the 1 inch holes I will be pouring in. The ones that are the deepest, those are the ones that I will be making sure I pour in first. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I guess I didn't tell ya what I'm out here doing today now, did I, y'all? Ooh, yeah. Hey, so we're about to do a time lapse of me pouring some Dexpan, this stuff right here. It's a demolition grout. A demolition grout. It's called Dexpan. I just got this stuff. It's amazing. It's supposed to, well, it says, I was reading it. Amazing. Basically, it goes up to 18,000 psi and it slowly pushes everything out. You got to mix it with water. Now, what I'm here to tell y'all is, check this out, y'all. I'm not a professional at this. I've never done this before. So I'm not saying I'm going to do this right. I'm saying this is the way that I did it. And you're going to find out how it worked, just like I'm about to find out how it worked. The first thing I'm telling y'all is the directions say do 1.5 inch holes. I use this Bosch Bulldog Extreme. And this is a 1 inch bit, which is the short, or this is what I could find. I could find this, I could find this, I used it. I went as deep as I could. That is as deep as I could go. Now, I did buy a 3/4 inch bit and I played around with it, but this is what I have, people. So what I'm saying is, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna mix this with water. I'm not bringing any particular water. Everybody use good bottled water. What I'm saying is I got good water right there I'm gonna mix it with. I don't care, it's water. I'm gonna mix it with just that water and I'm gonna use just a regular bottle and mix it. And then I'm gonna pour it down in these holes and I'll show y'all what I do. I did bring gloves. I do have on eye protection and I have a mask on, but my mask is around my neck, but I will be putting it on and I advise that you do so as well. So let's get to it. We're gonna put this down on the ground. We will be mixing everything in this bucket. I did bring a drill and a paddle, and I also will be using a funnel to pour it down inside the holes. Now, I'm hoping that the rock has cooled off enough, which I'm sure it has. I have not drilled in a little while. I'm shooting a time lapse, so we will be able to see. But I'm gonna mix it in this bucket, and I'm gonna pour it into each hole from here. So let's go ahead and get that started. So I'm just gonna use this bottle, and they use 3 of them, so I'm just gonna put 3 of them inside of this bucket. All right, so that's it. Now we gotta start pouring it. Poured way too much. All right, we're gonna do this real quick. I went ahead, I got everything cleaned up. I didn't want to waste no time and shoot no video talking. I went ahead and cleaned everything up because they say you want to dispose of everything correctly. So I went ahead, rinsed everything off and disposed of it. I got a camera, like I said, shooting a video of this. Hopefully I'll get a time lapse of it cracking. I don't know what that time lapse is going to look like. I will be coming back and shooting video of it every so often. It is currently 2 o'clock. It's 2:15. So what I'm saying is I'm going to come out and check on it every so many hours. Most people saw results within 3 hours, so I need to be back out here about 5 o'clock to check on it. I think it's going to work. I just used, like I said, regular water from out of here. I only went in with an inch bit down to 18 inches. I used the Bosch Bulldog Extreme to do the whole thing. I tried other things and it didn't work, so this is the last resort. If it doesn't work this time, I'm saying this is saying that this rock is supposed to be a permanent fixture in my life. But if this works, I mean, now if it breaks off into a bigger section and I can break it off again, but if this gets rid of this rock, I'm saying between the Bosch Bulldog Extreme and Penny, and I mean, this started out as a little bitty project, yeah. So everybody who's been rocking with me to see me get rid of this rock, I appreciate it, but this should be the end. Hey, tune in, we're gonna bring this together nicely, hopefully. I'll bring a second camera angle. I wanna see this time lapse, and I wanna see this rock leave my life, people. Yep, this thing has caused me so much money. Hey, but this is what I got out of it, because if it wasn't for this rock, I would have never went and got this tractor. Hey, let's get this rock out, y'all. It's time. My nemesis will be gone. Oh yeah. Hey, we just got done cutting the grass. Look at those. Ooh. Hey, look at my hostas. Hey, we just got done cutting the grass with Penny. Hey, how did the yard look, y'all? Grass look good. Hey, I got a little lines. It's just a little bit though. But the grass is looking good. Penny does a good job cutting, but not as good as my old mower. But she does everything so she don't have to do this better. I'm not mad. When I get back to the point where I can have a mower that does cutting grass only, I'll do that, but right now is not the time. Hey, y'all, so let's check this out. Oh, yeah, there go Penny right there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. That's Penny. Hey, yeah, if I ain't never seen her before. All right, so check this out. Here go the rock. We went ahead, put that powder in. We mixed it up with some water. Y'all saw what I did. My GoPro that was shooting a time lapse of it, it died. So I got about 2 hours of footage. It came out to be about 6 seconds. So we'll get another 2 hours of footage, and then I'll come back out here tomorrow and set it up again, see if we catch anything. I'm not gonna shoot anything overnight, but basically what's happened so far is it's turned into a powder. It looks like it's starting to expand in all directions. And I mean, it's not a slurry anymore, it's a powder again. I think that if you wanted to reactivate it, you could just put more water right on top of this powder and it would reactivate, I do believe. But right now, look at that one. That one is pushed all the way up already. That was the first one I put in, I think it was. And that one is pushed out the most. So far, so good. Everything is at least drying out. We haven't seen anything starting to separate yet. No actual cracks yet. But we'll come back out in about 2 more hours, maybe 3 hours, see what we got. and I got that rock chipped up and moved. So that was another ride with Penny right there. And we did good. Nice little day's ride. And that's all I be looking forward to do, is getting out and playing with Penny. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. That's basically all it's about. There's no overall task being done. I gotta get this cleaned up and I'm gonna turn this into a pond. I'm trying to anyway. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm learning quickly. So I'm just gonna keep moving the dirt and start digging again. I don't know if I think I'm gonna do backhoe dig, because I like being able to sit the camera still and just dig with the backhoe. So we're gonna go at it again here soon. But for today, I think we're done. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in. Once again, me and Penny out here playing in the mud. I like just shooting from different angles and seeing what I can catch. Hey, I thank y'all for tuning in. I'll be back when I get something else done. Hey, y'all have fun. It's your boy, and I'm out.